Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to remove Yahoo search from Chrome. So before starting the video I want you guys to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So if you open the Google Chrome and instead of google.com the Yahoo search engine opens up, then there is a little setting that you need to change. Okay, so first of all you need to open up your Google Chrome, and then you need to tap on these three dots at the top right here, tap on it, and then you need to tap on settings here, and then here you can see we have multiple bunch of different options. So then you need to tap on this search engine here, and now here is search engine used in the address bar, so mine is set to Google here. Okay, so if your search engine, like if you open up Google Chrome and Yahoo search engine opens up, then here must be switched from Google to Yahoo. Okay, here you will see Yahoo. Okay, so then you just need to change it from Yahoo to Google here. So you are wondering that you did not change this, but how the search engine changed automatically? So it happens sometime when you install any kind of third party extensions. Okay, so maybe you have recently installed any third party extension, and it changes the setting from here. So it's very simple, just come here and change it from Yahoo to Google, and then your Google search engine will open up. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.